trick that fooled Jake Poole. The magician took a deck of cards and showed that they were all different. He then let Jake shuffle the cards and mix them up as much as he wanted. Jake then chose a card. In this case, the 6 of clubs. This was then fairly returned to the deck anywhere Jake wanted. The cards were placed on the table. And slowly started to move. The top packet slid to the side and one card popped out. The magician turned this card over. And it was Jake's 6 of clubs. Everything could be inspected. Jake was fooled.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I think so.
The secret behind this effect is invisible thread. Invisible thread is a very thin piece of thread that goes around your wrist, and it allows you to levitate objects and make things move, as you just saw in the performance. So go and buy some of this, it's really cheap, and come back to this tutorial once you've got some. Now I'm going to teach you how to perform what you just saw, but I'll use a rubber band in placement of this invisible thread, just because this is so hard to see on camera. So to begin, take the thread and place it around your wrist. Now hand the deck out and you can let the deck be inspected, shuffled, and once they're happy with it, let them select any card that they like. In this case, it's the Ace of Spades. Now, whilst they're looking at their card, you've got all the time in the world to do the first move. Take your thumb and place it inside the thread, and then pull it out, creating a big loop. Then place the deck inside this loop and let go. So you're in this position here. So take their card back and place it somewhere near the top of the deck. I normally go down about 10 or so cards and then just place their card back in like this. Now, because I'm using a rubber band, it's really hard for me to push the card in like that. It wants to fire back out. But when you're actually using invisible thread, the card will just slide in because the thread is more elasticated than the rubber band I'm showing you. So you push the card in just like that, and then you'll be ready to begin. I'm now going to replace this rubber band with the invisible thread so you can actually see what's going to happen. So just to recap, I've now got the thread around my wrist, and the spectator's chosen their Ace of Spades and they're looking at it, and I'm going to hold the deck in this position here, come in with my thumb and loop it around the deck. Now I say you can dribble the cards down like this, or you can just take their card back and place it near the top of the deck. So as you can see, the card just goes in like that. And the invisible thread is around my wrist and it's around their card. Now you can place the cards onto the table, and from here the rest of the trick is just showmanship. You can place your hands to the side, you can move them about, and slowly move your hands away. And you'll notice that the invisible thread will drag the top pile that way. As you do this, it will also automatically make their card pop out of the deck. So from here, you can turn over their card and reveal it, and collect up the rest of the deck, unloop it, and then hand it out for inspection. So this is a really clean, simple, and easy effect to do that's incredibly powerful, and let me know how you get on with it. If you are interested in learning incredible card tricks, including flourishes, cuts, shuffles, and more, and tricks that are just too good to reveal on YouTube, then check out my Magic Card course in the first link in the description below. The course contains some of the best tricks ever created and will give you the ability to walk into a room and impress anybody that you like. So go and check out Card Magic Pro in the first link in the description.